Hello everyone, it's party time and it's December, so that means it's almost Christmas. So this is awesome. So it's time to get decorating. So let's get started. Alright, so I have tried to put that decoration on for about 5 years now and it still hasn't worked, so I'm gonna have to become a human a little bit. So alright. Alright, so now the blue ones.
Christmas time of the year. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, he's making a list, checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. So you better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Your town. He knows where you live. He knows that your window's open. He knows what lives under your bed.
Now it's time for the Christmas lights, or whatever these are. Things.
rungy tum-tums. Santa Claus is coming to town. Little toy dolls that cuddle and coo. Elephants, bears that puddle and poo. Santa Claus is coming to town. The kids in girl and boy land will have a jubilee. They're gonna build a toyland town all around the Christmas tree. And then they're gonna burn it down. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming to town. Your town. My town. Oh, what a town. And then we're gonna break all the toys. And then we're gonna make some noise. We're gonna party all night long. We're gonna sing this song. Gonna party all night long. We're gonna sing this song.
Alright, so I just finished the Christmas tree. So here it is. It's looking fabulous. Ah, yes. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can like, subscribe, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!